Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the part 4 of our video series in which we are learning the names of different body parts in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 3 parts yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. In this 4th part, we are going to focus on the names of different internal organs in human body. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. First comes the Korean word for organ. What is an organ called in Korean? So it is 장기, 장기. Okay, now let's move ahead and see how you're going to say skin in Korean language, and that is 피부, 피부. Next comes the Korean word for bone, and that is 뼈. 뼈. Very easy. Now let's see how you're going to say muscle in Korean, and that is 근육, 근육. Next comes the Korean word for nerve, and that is 신경, 신경. Okay, now let's see the Korean word for lung, and that is 폐, 폐. Next comes the word for kidney in Korean, that is 심장, 심장. Now let's see how you're going to say rib in Korean language, and that is 갈비뼈, 갈비뼈. Next comes the Korean word for liver, and that is 간, 간. Very easy. Now comes the word for brain in Korean, and that is 뇌, 뇌. This one is also very easy. Next comes the Korean word for heart, and that is 심장, 심장. Remember that we just saw the Korean word for kidney is 신장, and the Korean word for heart is 심장. Okay? Now let's see how you're going to say spine in Korean, that is 척추, 척추. Next comes the Korean word for pancreas, and that is 췌장, 췌장. Now let's see how you're going to say bladder in Korean, and that is 방광, 방광. Okay, and the last one is the Korean word for blood. Now, although blood is not an internal organ of human body, but it is a part of human body. That's why I've included it in this video. So, there are 2 words for blood in Korean. One is 피, 피, and the another one is 혈액, 혈액. So, the difference lies in the usage. P is a common word for blood that we use in our daily life. Okay, commonly used word for blood is P, and 혈액 is the term for blood in medicinal language. Okay, whenever you are talking in medical terms, then blood is referred as 혈액. So in this video we learned the names of different internal organs in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.